This financial mystery is a common struggle. We live in a world saturated with buy now, pay later schemes and cleverly disguised subscriptions that drain our accounts before we even realize it. That's where budgeting apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, come in. YNAB's zero-based budgeting system has helped countless individuals gain control of their finances. But what if YNAB isn't the perfect fit for you? Maybe the subscription fee feels like an extra burden, or perhaps the user interface doesn't resonate with your learning style. The good news is, there are several excellent YNAB alternatives out there, each catering to different needs and preferences. So, before we dive into the better than YNAB options, let's address the elephant in the room. Is there a single best budgeting app? The truth is, personal finance is, well, personal. What works wonders for your best friend might leave you feeling overwhelmed. The key is finding a system that complements your financial goals, budgeting style, and tech savviness. Free budgeting powerhouses. Alright, with that disclaimer out of the way, let's explore some fantastic free budgeting apps. Mint, this classic from Intuit, offers a user-friendly interface and robust features. Mint automatically categorizes your transactions, tracks your bills, and provides insightful financial reports. It even offers credit score monitoring and budgeting tools. While Mint is free, keep in mind that it relies on targeted advertising to generate revenue. Personal Capital, this comprehensive app goes beyond budgeting and delves into wealth management. Personal Capital offers features like investment tracking, net worth monitoring, and retirement planning tools. Their free tier provides a solid budgeting foundation, but their premium services unlock advanced features like portfolio optimization. Budgeting with a spreadsheet twist. If you're comfortable with spreadsheets, consider giving Google Sheets a go. Numerous pre-made budgeting templates are readily available online, offering a level of customization that dedicated budgeting apps may not provide. You can personalize categories, track specific financial goals, and even automate certain calculations with formulas. This free option empowers you to tailor your budgeting system to your exact needs. However, spreadsheets require a bit more upfront time and effort in setting up compared to dedicated apps. Gamifying your finances. For those who find traditional budgeting a bit tedious, consider apps that inject some fun into the process. Capital. This app uses behavioral science and gamification elements to encourage responsible saving. You can set up rules that automatically round up your spare change and send it towards your savings goals. Capital also offers goal-based challenges with virtual rewards to keep you motivated. While a free tier exists, premium features unlock additional savings tools and investment opportunities. Digit. This AI-powered app analyzes your income and spending patterns to automatically transfer small, safe-to-spend amounts into a savings account. It also provides budgeting insights and helps you identify potential areas for spending reduction. Digit offers a free trial period, followed by a monthly subscription fee. Beyond budgeting apps. Remember, budgeting apps are just tools. They can't magically make your money last longer if you don't actively use them. Here are some additional tips to maximize your financial success. Track your expenses religiously. Whether you use an app, a notebook, or a simple spreadsheet, record every single purchase. Awareness is the first step towards positive change. Review your budget regularly. Schedule dedicated time each week or month to analyze your spending and adjust your budget accordingly. Set realistic goals. Don't try to go cold turkey on all your indulgences. Start with achievable targets and gradually work your way towards long-term financial goals. Embrace the power of no. Learn to politely decline impulse purchases and stick to your spending plan. Finding your financial fit. The best budgeting solution is the one that empowers you to take control of your finances. Experiment with different apps and methods to discover what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. Once you find a system that resonates with you, stick with it and watch your financial future take shape. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.